Yo! Yeah, love. Yeah, love. See here, guys. We are going night. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing day. Me day upon the farm with Mas Ambro. You know what I mean? Well, I am host me there still. We're gonna go down at the farm and we're gonna dig up some cassava to make some bammy. You know what I mean? So me dey on the ground, you know, I'm dey on the gravel, safe chop up on the gravel, everybody. Oh, one love in the man from Jamaica. Wow. See Mas Ambro, yeah? Yeah man, Mas Ambro. We are go down on the farm you now. Yeah man, so we're gonna dig up some cassava. So we have a bucket here we're gonna put in there, you know what I mean? See boss there. Mas Ambro, big up somebody now man.
Hey, big up to you. I mean, yeah, palm me there.
Yeah.
Good. You want that old man?
You want a good man?
Old wife.
A good wife?
Yeah.
People, you see him? Don't start it. Yeah, that man is easy, that guys. But you are a good wife. You see, easy. So, we are good on the farm now. Take a look on the place, guys. You know what I mean? Place pretty and thing. The umbilical house that, you know. Mas Ambro, I call him. All of them land here. Mas Ambro belong to. All of them land here. See them? All up there, so pint on your land, Ambro. See him land, all of this in the people. Everything of you.
1 acre.
Yeah. 1 whole acre land of him, guys. So, the place luscious, good. Nothing no dry up, nothing no rotten. Banana tree, everything. So, stay tuned, guys. We'll walk down on the farm now and show you what go on. And then Dalit, because the amount of rain is falling, guys, care. The tank here, when we live, we used to come catch water, you know. I know say all of that, me. See tank here, guys. Water we used to catch in it, you know. And go wash clothes. Grandmother used to come and say something. See pan where them use dry water. You know. That stick you see there. This I can catch water. So you catch water and water, you think them. See there, guys. You know what I mean? Then catch water then farm or something. You know what I mean? And water. Alright, what would I call it now? Yeah. Sure enough, if you catch water tank, you know what I mean? We don't come from a country. See there. Yeah man, so put up back the card back here, so. Yeah man. Yeah man, wrap it on. You have to wrap it back in the cars. You don't want breeze blow on it, you jack back down in there. And you get knocked. You just catch you back right there. So go down and ground, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're up on the farm now. The cassava farm. The money are young, don't you? Yeah man, see. The whole of this, it's a little short money where you see in front of you. This is a short money plant. Yep. Yeah, I can't believe it. Somebody help you plant it? Who help you plant it? Guys, I can't believe this. Him one plant this, you know. And him one, I got reap, you know, but more sight of him do. Could they? Look down there, down there, sir. What are you doing, sir? I feel him piece of land. Yeah, cassava funny. Like a sharp man, dangerous people. Dangerous. I tell you, it's easy. So I'm going to carry, go dig up some cassava now. Yeah, man, so we are waiting for that part there. Alright, guys, so Amber just land. This part, the ripe cassava them there. So I'm going to try dig up something for you now. Yeah, bro?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dig up something for me?
Yeah, put it up for you, man.
Alright. So, see what I go on here, guys. Cassava them, you know. Sweet cassava, to be specific. Yeah. Sweet cassava. Cassava is just a starch and it's basically a root. You know what I mean? And it make a whole heap of things. Down in Africa, I see them use it, make chips. Jamaica, them use it, make chips as well. So it's diverse. Use it, make flour. Yeah, man, can use it, dumpling and thing. See me reach a root here, man. Let's see what I go on. Yes, guys, see, this is a root. This cassava is just a root, you know. See, yeah.
Yeah, man, nothing funny.
On the tin. On the tin, guys. I tell you. Yes, I. Do massa.
No, they hand him or you tight.
Yes, massa. You can't add a blade, it go blade. If you blade, it go spoil. You can't blade out it. Yeah, man, so. Two here just drop a ground. Two little one here. Man, not so big still. But as him go through the ground, and I go see the rest of them. Boy, it's so hot.
It's not hot. Yeah.
What you mean? Me feel a rock stone. The people here, man, said to me, I feel a rock stone. I'm bright, and bright, I see. You water and bright.
It is a nice hotter.
Eh? Where is it? You know, easy, you know. Yeah, they get too big one up on the road.
Maybe fertilizer.
Anybody fertilizer?
Right. Yeah, no money. Fertilizer. But
So them here, guys. This here use make bammy. Cassava. See it there? Yeah, man, so stay tuned and watch what go on. You don't know. We're there outside. There in our farm. Yeah, man, bammy. Bammy I go make. Yeah, man.
I bet what you know that, man.
Eh?
I bet what you know.
The best one?
Jade.
A Jade, that one the name?
No, man. Family, I bet Jade.
Oh, farming are the best trade. Oh.
I have been young food.
You have any food? Yes, sir. So how much food you want can yam? So I don't just yam food alone. It's a job, you're gonna make money from it. Let me draw this for you. I don't just eat food alone, you know, I have money for other things.
Yeah, man.
So I'm not just food alone farming. Farming help. If I have food alone, subsistent living must attain. Bossy. Yeah, dash them, I can't go find. See them? Not turn too long in the ground, guys. When we finish draw them, I'll show you what I go on. Alright, guys, so I help Ambro pull up two cassava them. See when I just pull, could they? Ambro, my boss, could they? And me just pull this, you know? And me just pull this, you know, guys? Could they? Me just pull this, could they? Ambro, you can't find them a cassava, yeah, man. And me just pull this, guys, could they? Tell me something about him, could they? Ambro now look, cassava, man. He nah look, guys, he nah look. Tell him say he nah look, could they? Me find it. Me find them one. You know, look for cassava, man. I shoot him say, yo, man, a boy to this, you know. A boy to this. So, for me, them, yeah. See, my boy has struggle for pull out them. Can't manage it, you know. Must struggle. See, pan, almost full. So, let me see where you job. Good. You're not bad like me. You're not bad like me. You're not bad like me.
Alright, pull up and do it.
What is it? We pull up it.
Pull up and do it.
That's that. You're not bad like me, man. You ever boost me. Boost me now, guys. So we down in the bush, down here hot. You know what I mean? Farming not easy. See them down here, so. Yeah, man, so when we go up top, we'll show you everything we pull and wait, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so we come down from the farm and now see the boss here. Hold up the scale and we can see what I go on. Wipe off it. Oh, Lord, how much is that? What scale tell me, so 15. That's a 15 pound, you know?
Alright, yeah.
What I say, 15 pound, guys, eat that? 15 pound of cassava. We are going to translate into some bammy. Transform, to say. Now some bammy tomorrow. See, boss, yeah?
I'm your boss.
Yeah, boss.
I'm your boss. I'm guys.
Yeah. Oh, God, let's see if I say look at all other people. I'm one farmer here, brother. I can't talk to him in rank. He's very rank out of order.
I have my own house.
You have your own house. Yeah, how much I know?
70.
Yeah, 70? Oh, yeah, say.
Next week Sunday.
Next week Sunday at 70. Lord have mercy. Hear that, people? So, guys, here we are going. Stay tuned. When we reach in the kitchen, we are showing you what we're going. You know what I mean? So, big respect so far. Yeah, man, and thank you very much, you guys, for watching. Alright, guys, so I'm there with Master George and Miss Ina. You know what I mean? So, we are going to make some bammy, but they're going to tell you the process what they use to make the bammy. George is 80 years old. Mama Ina over here, so soon 80. So, George, what's the process now for make the bammy?
We're going to scrape it.
After you scrape it, what you do next?
We're going to wash it. Grate it. And then you ring it.
And then you ring it?
Yeah. And put it to bring it out. Get it to rub up.
Yeah.
And then to be
okay, so how long now you have the bammy?
Me? Long time.
Long time you have the bammy? Alright, so see the cassava them here. So do your thing, man. So you say the first thing is to scrape it.
Yeah.
Why scrape it first before you wash it?
You have to scrape off the trash off it.
You have to scrape off the trash. Wash it first. We have to take off the rest. Yam?
Yeah.
How come?
Nah, quite
So how yam not spoil if you dig it out of your ground? So it used to grow?
Yeah.
So if you carry it in your kitchen now, it will spoil?
Boil up.
Start boil up in your kitchen and start spoil?
The heat.
But if you left in the hurt, you know.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Alright. Okay.
That one.
See it there, guys? Yeah, man, we see it, man. Pretty.
Pretty man.
Pretty. So I wash off time now and then grate afterwards. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so you know, so me I gotta help them scrape it, you know what I mean? Because I have to get my hands them dirty too. You see me? So it's not really hard. It's just a simple thing. So mama show me how to do it, so me I try to. So the aim is to scrape it so you can see the white part. If you peel it, I guess if you peel it, you're gonna take off too much. That's why another. So why you scrape it instead of peel it?
Lick one off it, yeah.
So they make it for do, man.
So they make it for do?
That's what it do.
So explain it to me now why you scrape it instead of peel it.
Yes.
That's what if you do.
That's what we do.
Okay. Alright, look here guys. Let me prove if I say if you go. So this a piece of the skin.
You
I
can't
guess
peel some,
this
you know.
is skin. Watch it. So
You can't peel out the liquor one day.
oh, so I guess I chew, you know. I chew because no, watch it. I chew because some of them you can peel, but the one you scrape, when you scrape it, it look like flake. The flake off. So that's why I'm saying instead of peel it, you scrape it. Because adjust that. Alright guys.
Give me that box there.
So mama, what you gonna do for we now?
Go.
Wash it.
Wash it.
You go wash it. Alright guys, so mama have a bucket of water here, so patiently sitting down, finishing and then washing it off. And after she wash it, what the next process?
Greater.
Grater? Alright, and then you gotta put it in your mortar.
No man.
You put it in your mortar.
Tomorrow to can't go mortar yet till tomorrow.
Have go ring.
Have to go ring first.
Ring the
Okay.
water out of it.
Okay. So guys, me there I learn, me there I jump the gun, but me I learn at the same time. Some hardworking people, man. So one soon 80, she soon 80, and Master George at 80. So, and then still strong. So they might pass on the knowledge to we guys. So we're grateful for that, you know? Yeah man. So stay tuned and watch what go on. So Master George, what you do for we now?
Greater, me go greater, sir.
Yeah, greater right now?
Yeah.
What is we look on here so now? This is the one we just wash off.
Yeah.
Alright, see the guys. Yeah man, I'm an expert in man. So how long now you have that grater here? Cause the grater here look old, you know. How long now you have it? How long now you have a grater? About 15 years.
Yo,
So that means you look for what, 17 years, 18 years.
20 years.
No sir, okay, not 20. Or 15 years. Alright, so yeah, grater, don't like how you grater coconut. Or any other thing like corn. Oh, you have to show you make corn dumpling on the end there, you know. Who wants to see corn dumpling? Put in a comment. Put in a comment if you want to see corn dumpling.
You got corn?
So we're not going to buy corn?
Buy corn, man. Try one.
Yeah. So if you don't want to see the corn dumpling, guys, drop in a comment section, you know. Say a legend this is doing thing. So after I'm grate it, what next process after you grate it?
Ring it.
You're gonna ring it and put in a cloth.
You want the water out tight.
Okay. So on a strain a ring. Okay. Alright guys, so we are gonna see what I go on, you know? So stay tuned. Give video a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't subscribe. Yeah man. One love, you know.
Yeah, we'll buy one greater then. Then I want to water.
Alright guys, so see it there. Master George grate out some of it. Bring up the camera close so you can see. You know what I mean? So see it here look nice and pretty. I mean, look nice and pretty, so. What you gonna do now, Master George? You gonna wring it out?
Squeeze out the water.
Same, I'm gonna squeeze out the water, squeeze out the moisture out of it. So, we are gonna see what I'm gonna do next. So, stay tuned and watch what go on, guys. So, what you do for you now, Master George?
I ring it.
Ring me, ring it.
You gonna ring it?
Yeah.
Alright, so you wash off your cloth and then you put in them.
Most time people I ring start.
So see boss I drain out here now. So I ring it out, me should say I say drain. So how much water did in the cassava? Eh? How much water was in this one cassava? See there guys? Yeah man. Yeah man, this look ready and now. Make you sit down in the plate then. Can you come closer? Yeah. Touch it now, Master George, make you see it look. Yeah. Crush out in your hand. So I say you want it.
Yeah.
Kind of powdery like.
Yeah.
Yeah man guys. So if you are gonna try make your own pot bammy, you can try it like this, you know. So them are showing the entire step, you know, cause teacher them, you know, so them are teach we at the same time. So we love that about the whole program, you know. So yeah man, yeah. We are learn how to do it. Of course, so teacher them man. Alright, see boss, you are doing thing. Yeah guys, so if you want to make bammy, you know it's a simple 1 3, you know? Yeah man, simple 1 3.
Hard working night.
Hard work in night?
Yes.
What?
Which part of your hard work?
What you say?
Which part of your hard work? Tell me now.
You like hard work.
The whole lot of hard work.
Yes.
So me dey talk boy simple. Yeah. Simple 1 3 man. Simple 1 3, damn it. Simple 1 3 this.
We couldn't do manager with that show.
You do what?
Remember, George?
What you say do?
When you get some cassava here, you know, manager, you know.
Why?
We manage when it's sick them time
Very
they
sick.
Oh.
sick. I feel better, you know, remember?
Oh.
Our whole puppies and spoiled for George. Really sick.
Wow.
Two we sick.
200 is sick one time.
Pain that kill we. And now we feel, especially me feel like better.
Master George, you done great. You done do your squeezing now.
Yes.
So why next part of the process?
You finish greater.
After you finish greater everything, bring it closer, make we see it. Give Master George and make him show what going. Alright, so see it there guys. It look like flour, you know. Look like flour. Good. Yeah man, so you go put it down for dry. And then after then in the morning you go do your next part of the process. So we are gonna stay tuned and we are gonna watch what go on. Guys, if you reach this far in the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share. You know what I mean? Write down them recipe here. You can try it for yourself. It's nice with fresh fish. It's nice when with escabeche fish. When you bake the bammy.
Chicken back.
What?
Chicken back too.
Chicken back too.
Yes.
Say nice with chicken back.
Hey.
Alright guys, so Master George, you gotta put it down and then in the morning we finish it guys. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright guys, you probably see Master George from previous video. You know what I mean? So him have one painting here when I do for him. I did this painting around 2019. It's an oil painting. So I'm gonna show them the painting there, Master George. So see the painting here when him did look younger. Yeah man, so oil paint and canvas. This was the year 2019 I did this painting for him. Hoping that I could get it sell at art gallery, but it never sell that year there. some other paintings this sell, but him have it in his house same way. But if anybody interested in buying this painting, and I'll give him the money from it, cause him have a little surgery where him have to go do. So if anybody interested in helping him out by purchasing this painting, you can contact me. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. So it's an oil and canvas. Yeah man, we'll give him the money if anybody purchase it, you know. So him can put it towards him surgery and him test what him have to do. Yeah man, so we can put the painting aside, Master Josh. So like you see the part of your body where you say it hurt you. Oh, right to your side. Okay. So you have to go do some tests.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I do the test, what will come after that? The surgery? So they might go tell you what the issue?
Yes. And then they're going to send me to the hospital.
Okay. Alright, so guys, if anybody want to help him out, you can do that. So, if you don't want to buy the painting, you can find a next way to help him here. Yeah man. One love from Jamaica, you know. Yeah man, great Master George. Yeah man. Big up somebody, Master George, before you go.
You know who to do.
You know if you big up?
No, sir.
Big up Father God, man.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Alright guys, so you know if you contact me, yeah? Alright guys, so here now, I want to personally thank Auntie Dan for sponsoring the video. Anyway, there in the world, Auntie Dan, big up yourself, sponsoring the video, you know what I mean? One love from Jamaica, appreciate it, you know? Yeah man, respect. Alright guys, welcome back again. It is now day 2 of the Bammy experience, you know what I mean? Yesterday we great it, we squeeze it out and ring it and everything and put it down overnight. So Master George and Mama Ina, they are going to finish the baking today, you know what I mean? So we're going to see what they do. So yo, yeah, stay tuned in there guys, cause it's exciting. I don't know if enough of you see how Bammy bake before, so Bammy baking time and now. If we make up them fire already, so I'm going to tell you the process. So stay tuned and watch what him do, and I do it at him. You know what I mean? So yo, big up on yourself, yeah? And one love all the time. Yeah man, and thanks for your support. Yeah.
I beat if it's heavy.
So Master George, what is part of the processor now?
Sieve.
Yeah, sieve it out? Okay. Alright, so yeah, sieve it out. So why you never use why you have to sieve it out? Why you have to sieve it?
Sieve it to
Make it smooth more.
It's smoother? Okay.
You see it?
Okay, alright. You see the guys look like flour already. So you have a container. So this is what we get out of it from the gratering and the what you call it, the squeezing. Yeah. Yeah man, so this is what you get from the gratering yesterday. So you just use your hand and rub it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't buy with the matter.
Okay. So you want to hold it here, make you just use your hand? Okay, understand. Alright guys, see it there? So for those who there were, if them don't have a mortar to do it, you can just use your hand to rub it and then you put it in your sieve or your strainer.
Sieve man, no strainer.
And a strainer.
Sieve.
So a strainer can use. So what if them can't make one like this? What if them can't make a sieve like for your one?
Let us try.
You know, easy, you know. I see it there guys, so but a kind of windy, so makes it like some might have blow, but good still.
Anyway you're there. If you even in the kitchen,
Mm-hmm.
some of it that way.
Alright, my boss. Alright guys, so see the pot, the Dutch pot up on the fire now. So they are heat up for the baking for start in a few minutes. When Master George finish shift out, you know. Yeah man, so it him I go deal with shortly, so now stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah man. Alright guys, so based on what I see, so them finish sieve out the first batch. So mama tell me what you gonna do now.
Go bake it now.
You gonna bake it? Alright. So what you put in the why you put it in the cup?
The cassava in the cup.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put in a pot now. Put in the pot. And then throw it out. And then go bake here now. You understand? I go bake it now. I bake it now. The cup of mash up.
Alright guys, so there's two ways you can bake the bammy. You have the bammy rack where them use, and then this is called the pot bammy. So this is the pot bammy where Master George and Miss Ina work on it now. Yeah man, so they're just gonna set it and let it bake. So we're gonna see the process. You know what I mean? So those who don't know how this thing go now go see it. Yeah man. Alright, so yeah, she gonna try and lift it up now with a little fork and make it mash up, you know. Take your time. Take your time. See it there guys? Yeah man, see it there? Easy 1 3. So all you need is a Dutch pot like this or other pot. And just put in it and it bake. Yeah. I never know what I say it's simple guys. Never know what I saw bammy in a pot simple to make. Yeah man. So we're gonna eat this in a few minutes with some butter. Alright guys, so the little tradition, yeah. Mama Ina say pass on from our great grandmother.
Anytime I come, Mama boil rice porridge. Remember George? And tap me. I say, you know, come drink a rice porridge, yeah, before you go over. Because you must hungry and come from a drink. I sit down and me drink it. Your mother, she teach me.
Yeah, your mother teacher.
But since me sick. And then you're too fat, me and I do it. How we get here?
Alright, what you say I gotta do for you now?
Take it out.
Yeah, take it out of the pot.
Yeah.
Alright guys.
Pot. I want to see it. I see it.
Yeah guys, see it here, so this is pot bammy. Yeah man, so there's other ways you can do it, you know. You can do it with a little rock. Yeah man. So this is the pot bammy for you. Alright guys, so this is the first one. Just drop me soon, run in on it and test it. You know what I mean? So Master George over here, so I go sieve out some more. So we can bake at least 3 more, you know what I mean, before we taste it. Yeah man, it look nice. It look spongy and nice already. So that's simple bammy this, and I'll put the rest the correct measurements for you guys in the description box. Yeah man. Alright guys, so I take off a little piece. Yeah man, so I'm going to taste it without the butter first. This just come out of the pot. So we're going to taste it. Have the right amount of salt. The right amount, you have even, when it bake, I don't know how oil reach in it, but it have a little bit of oil go on in it. See you guys, well nice. Yeah man, so those who love bammy, see recipe here. Yeah man, so see Master just say we can eat bammy and fresh fish. I mean, but we're gonna drop some butter upon it. You know what I mean? Because it just baking it say well hot, so the butter is gonna make it nice. So now really done off my one. Piece more left over this, but we're going at further on when I'm done bake everything guys, so just stay tuned. Yeah man.
How we been the fridge long? Nice. What's up your friend if you stay hot? Hot. Nice man. Yeah, man.
Take your time. Alright guys, so Mama gonna put the next batch in the pot.
I put in the pot.
So I see in process.
I put in the pot now.
So the thickness, based on what I see guys, if depending on how thick you want it, is the amount of cassava shreddings you put in the pot. So if you want your bammy thin, you can make some bammy rolls, you know what I mean? Or if you want to use it for tortillas or what they call it, they wrap them. Yeah man, you make it well thin. If you want it for thick like pizza dough, you can make it more you put in there, the more thicker it be, you know? Yeah man. Alright guys, so this is the moment you have been waiting for. The bammy eating time. Yo, I'm excited, I tell you guys. Me well excited for this. So here we go on. See me some bammy, oh, see me have piece right or so. And this just come out of the pot. See it here? It's dripping and we get some melted butter. Oh. Wow. Guys, we don't have fish today, but here I have pear. Yeah man, I have pear. So, if you not eat bammy before, like this pan bammy, you guys are gonna have to try this. I'm built an experience to you guys. See it here with the butter on it. This bad with Milo tea, cocoa tea or coffee. I mean, fully bad with it. So, butter on it. Yo! Yeah, love. Yeah, love. See pear, guys. We are going night. Come on, see here. Pretty. Especially with the melted margarine. Guys, and what the thing about cassava I realize is it has a sweet taste. There's a sweet taste to it. It's a little bit starchy but not too much. Still have a sweet taste to it, and I mean when it's baked you can see a little bit of oil coming out of it. Natural oil coming out of the cassava. So bad, yeah. Margarine melt on it. Alright guys, so there's some juice, I have to wash it down. Yeah man, you have to wash it down now. Yeah. Yeah man, this nice. Yeah man, I butter upon it. With some pear. The pear complement it, guys. Pear complement it. Bad. Alright guys, so here we go on. I want to say a big thank you. You know what I mean? Big appreciation to you guys for tuning in today, watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this was very educational to you guys, and you can try it. You just need a cassava and you just need to follow the steps. Very easy steps, you know what I mean? So one love again from Jamaica. Big up the whole world, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Right here from Jamaica, Tyrone Studio, and I will see you guys in the next video.